Hey everyone. With the wind, we had some students not able to log in or that would kick them off of Zoom today. So I wanted to send you a few videos. The first video is going to be where the students find their assignments and what they can work on if they weren't able to join Zoom. So the assignments are posted on, I think, 3 different spots in our Google Classroom. So I'm on our Google Classroom and this is the stream. So I posted the assignments for the entire week. Right there, it says assignments for the week of October 26th through the 30th. See, it's right here, right? First thing you see on the stream. And each day I have listed their assignments and then what we did in Zoom that they should have turned in. So all of their assignments for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are there. A couple of things I want to point out. Many students are not doing any assignments and not turning anything in. Thursday will be the last day that I can accept assignments for this trimester because I have to have report cards submitted by Friday. So you might want to ask your child to let you see their Google Classroom to look at their grades. So that is one place that you can get the assignments. You can also click on classwork. I have right here under assignment list, the same assignments. That's the second place. Again, please note that the top is what they should do during their independent time when they're not on Zoom. And the bottom is what we did in Zoom together that they should have turned in while on Zoom. It's like that on every single slide. The third place, I'm on classwork. If you scroll down and you find the week that we're in, so for example, week of October 26th or 30th, if you scroll down, the one with the clipboard means it's not an assignment. If you click on that, I have the entire week ready to go with everything that we are learning, to include the video lessons that we watched during class. So you could go in and see what your child is learning about that day. And again, here's the assignment just for Monday because this was the Monday slide. So for today, your child should do 20 minutes of Imagine Math. During conference time, I'll be letting you know how many minutes your child has logged into Imagine Math and Imagine Language. Many students haven't logged in all year. They should read for 20 minutes and complete one reading choice board activity, and I'll show you where that's at. We will also be having a math test tomorrow, so if you click on this link, there's some practice problems. I will also be making a video of me teaching the math concepts so that you can watch it with your child and discuss it. And then they need to complete the seesaw activity for orders of operations. And then we completed our writing assignment today. I will make a video of me teaching this and send it out because I'm having a handful, about 6 or 7 students log off at 11, which means they completely miss all of writing. Many students, about 6 or 7, are an entire week behind in writing, and Thursday, that writing piece that we've been working on for 2 weeks, that's their final grade. And if they haven't started on it, they will get a 0 for the report card on that. So please know that you can have your child log into our Google Classroom and show you their assignments, but now you know where everything is. I always have it sorted by the week that we're in. So you can look back at previous weeks as well. The digital choice boards, this week they have the reading choice board. It is here, it's listed under the week. The Google Classroom is very organized and very easy to find. I have specific directions on everything for the students to include YouTube links telling them what they should be doing and how to do it. So that is there. I also tell them if it's a graded assignment and when it is due. So the reading choice board is worth 20 points, 5 points for each activity, and it is due by Friday. You might want to ask your child if they have been turning them in, because this will be the third week that we've done it, and only about 8 kids are actually doing this. So you can ask your child to see their Google Classroom, and now you know where some items are.